Hello, welcome. In this short video, let us look at the conditions required for stability of a LTI system. So the theorem concerning a stable LTI system can be stated as follows. Stable LTI system. So the theorem concerning the stability of a LTI system can be stated as follows. For input x of n, the absolute value of the input x of n is less than b, that is, if it is bounded by a positive value b for all values of n, then the output y of n defined by the convolution sum x of n convolution with h of n is also bounded if and only if the impulse response h of k is summable, that is, its sum should be less than infinity. So if this condition is satisfied and for a bounded input the output y of n is also bounded, then the system is stable. So now let us look at the proof for this condition. So proof, it is proof for this theorem. So by definition the output y of n is equal to the sum k equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x of k h of n minus k. So by taking absolute value on both sides, we have absolute value of y of n is equal to the absolute value of the sum from k equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x of k h of n minus k. Since the absolute value of a sum is always less than or equal to sum of absolute values, that is the sum of a sequence w of k for k equal to minus infinity to plus infinity, the absolute value of this sum is always less than or equal to the sum of the absolute values of a sequence. So by using this axiom, we can say that the absolute value of y of n, which is defined as the absolute value of the sum x of k h of n minus k, that is the convolution sum, and this absolute value is always going to be less than or equal to the sum from k equal to minus infinity to plus infinity absolute value of x of k multiplied by h of n minus k. And since absolute value of a into b is equal to absolute value of a into absolute value of b, this should be equal to the sum k absolute value of x of k multiplied by absolute value of h of n minus k. And we know that the input x of k is bounded by a value of b. So by using this relation, we can say that the absolute value of the output y of n is less than or equal to b times the sum k equal to minus infinity to plus infinity h of n minus k. I mean the absolute value of h of n minus k. And this relation is derived by using the fact that x of k, the absolute value of x of k, is bounded by b, because this sum is bounded by b times the sum absolute value of h of n minus k. Therefore the output will be bounded if and only if the sum from k equal to minus infinity to plus infinity absolute value of h of k is less than infinity. That is, if the impulse response, the absolute value of the impulse response is summable, then the output y of n is bounded for a bounded input. Hence the theorem is proved. So for a bounded input, an LTI system is stable if and only if its impulse response, the absolute value of its impulse response, is also summable. Thanks for watching.